In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to download Canva for PC. Open up any web browser of your choice and in the search bar, search for Canva download. Next, you'll need to enter the first website, which is the official website of Canva. If you click on the website, you'll see an option to download the application. Click on Start Download. The application now will start to download on your device. The file size is 131 MB, so the download duration could be different depending upon the speed of your internet connection. After the download is complete, head over to the folder that it's been downloaded. Now you can simply install the application on your device. To do this, double click on the setup file. Now after the setup file is complete, you can log into the web browser first and then continue with the application on the desktop.